we are here in full mission bridge simulator, and we discuss about the flag signals. So let's go.
This is the flag, Charlie. It corresponds that to affirmative, then.
And this is the eco flag. It corresponds that I am directing my course to starboard or altering my course to starboard.
This is the India flag. This corresponds that I am directing my course to port. I am altering my course to port. So this is the India flag. The flag is it corresponds that the ships keep clear, maneuvering with difficulty. So this is the Delta flag.
Signal flag is Bravo. It corresponds that I am taking in or discharging explosive or take.
For your information, just download the app Sigo on Play Store. More information.
And so, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something from us. And please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.